Hello everybody. Today I'm going to talk to you about posting a targeting group in AdWords for video. You go to the Targets tab and you select New Targeting Group. Okay, you name the targeting group and you enable it. You link it up here with the ads, different ads in your campaign. These are the different ones that have already been loaded. In this case, I only want it to run against one of the ads, but you could choose to have it run against all. Okay, you set the cost per view bid in the targeting group. Okay, so here's where you set the different targeting. So by default, all demos are opted in, and there's no other refinement. Thus, you're going to be running against all demos all over the GDN as well as YouTube. If you want to refine, you simply do this using these categories as well as the advanced options if you so choose. I'll go through these one by one. For topic, these are contextual topics for the videos in question. So if you want to run on auto videos, you select autos and vehicles and you click add and it populates here. You could remove it. If you want to break down the top level topic into smaller, more detailed topics, you have those options here. So in this case, let's just add a few. Okay, done. You could also refine by interest. This is also called interest category and defines the behavioral habits of the users on YouTube. Same thing. So instead of auto content, you're actually looking at auto enthusiasts in this case. Finance enthusiasts, food and drink enthusiasts. So you can select various interest category groups here. You will see with the Venn diagram on the right that you're actually, because you're within one targeting group, you're actually targeting the intersection of those two different categories, user interest and topic. If you want to run those incrementally, you need to do them in separate targeting groups. So one targeting group that shows topics and one that has your interest categories. You'll see here also the AdWords for Video estimation tool, which shows you approximate traffic and cost per view clearing price at this targeting and bid and budget, which is set at the campaign level. Okay, let me go further through this. Let me remove some of these. Okay. Now, you could also add placements. So by default, and depending on your campaign, you could be running on YouTube as well as the Google Display Network. If you want to limit your ads to just youtube.com, you could enter it here and click add, and it populates. Okay. Also, for specifically the YouTube placement, there is a little shortcut here since it is a common feature request. Okay. And in this case, you're running the intersection of the placement, which is this. It was YouTube, as well as the 3 topics, which we defined here. If you are doing remarketing and you have previously populated a remarketing list, you select here, and it looks at all the different remarketing lists in your campaign. And content keywords, so if you want to do contextual keyword targeting, you enter those there. So you could do auto, SUV, whatever it is, and you simply add or add all, and it populates, and thus you are then contextually targeting as an additional layer. Okay, and it also gives you related keywords based on what you did enter. So, whatever. Done. Okay, and that's how you build your targeting group. If you're running TrueView in search and you're entering search keywords, you do those here. Okay. Same concept as earlier, where you could add individually or all at a time. And again, our system does give you related keywords for your campaign. Okay, that's all there is to it. Save the targeting group and you're all set. Thank you very much.